2:47 in the morning. Sarah lay in bed, staring at the ceiling. Beep! The smoke detector's low battery chirp echoed through her bedroom. Again. She'd been hearing it for hours, that sharp, piercing sound every few seconds. But something felt wrong. The beeps weren't random anymore. Long beep, short beep, short beep, long beep. Sarah sat up, her heart racing. She knew that pattern, Morse code. She grabbed her phone and started translating. SARAH space MILLER, her full name, over and over. The beeping continued in the darkness, spelling out her identity with mechanical precision. Sarah's hands trembled as she climbed onto a chair to check the detector. She unscrewed the plastic cover and peered inside. The battery compartment was completely empty. It had been empty for weeks,